Hi, good day, guys. My name is Alex with tips and tricks on LG's consumer electronics within South Africa. In this video, we're going to be looking at WOW interface. So let's dive straight into it. So WOW interface lets you control your LG soundbar using your LG Magic Remote with the soundbar display menu showing clearly on the LG TV screen. So how does it work? Simply go through to your Home Hub dashboard. Scroll down to Sound Out and Peripheral Devices, click on the soundbar, and the WOW interface menu appears. This allows you to see the connection status of the soundbar, subwoofer, as well as if you have rear speakers. It lets you know of the sound mode which is applied on the soundbar and then allows you to adjust it automatically. With an update coming to WOW interface in a short period of time, we'll be seeing the ability to perform AI calibration on compatible soundbars and as well as change the tone settings of that soundbar directly from the LG TV screen instead of having to use the soundbar remote and have the LG Magic Remote on the desk of your viewing experience. So there you have it, folks. You now know what is WOW interface. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.